Here we have the manual one-drop M140 block mold, a straightforward, reliable tool for producing solid, high-quality construction blocks. One of the best things about this mold is how flexible it is when it comes to your mix. You can use any ratio that suits your needs, but if you're looking for strength and durability, we recommend a 1:4 mix. That's 1 bag of cement to 4 wheelbarrows of river sand. It's a balance that delivers long-lasting blocks, ideal for most construction jobs. This mold is completely manual. No electricity, no motors, just you, the mold, and the mix. With steady use, this mold can produce around 200 solid M140 blocks in a day. It's not just about speed, though. Every block comes out uniform and ready to cure, ensuring consistent quality. The design of this mold is all about practicality. It's sturdy enough to handle regular use, yet light enough to move around easily. If you're looking for a reliable, no-fuss solution to make strong construction blocks, the manual one-drop M140 block mold is a great choice. It's simple, tough, and built for results.